Anthropic has launched Claude Science, a new AI-orchestrated workbench built specifically for scientific research. Let's take a look at what it does, and why it matters for the way labs work today. Today, research is scattered across a dozen disconnected tools. PubMed for literature, Jupyter and R for analysis, cluster terminals for compute, and siloed databases each with their own schema. Every switch between these tools costs time, and context gets lost moving from literature to code to execution. Claude Science brings four things into one place: literature synthesis, code and execution, compute management, and publication-ready artifacts. It's an app that integrates your most common tools, produces auditable results, and gives you flexible access to computing resources wherever you work: macOS, Linux, over SSH, or directly on an HPC login node. The shift is significant. Instead of fragmented environments, you get a single persistent chat-to-execution session. Instead of manually submitting cluster jobs, compute scales autonomously from a laptop to hundreds of GPUs. Sensitive datasets never leave your local infrastructure. Parameters and environment variables are logged automatically. And an always-on critic agent checks citations and math in real time, instead of relying purely on manual peer review. Every artifact Claude Science produces is natively rendered: 3D proteins, genome tracks, molecular structures, and fully editable. Ask for a change in plain language, like removing grid lines or switching to a log scale, and the agent rewrites its own code. Every figure keeps the exact inputs, code, and message history behind it, so it can be validated and reproduced months later. Claude Science keeps a clear security boundary. Inside the lab, your HPC login node and large or sensitive datasets stay put, loaded once into memory and never transmitted. Outside that perimeter, only context and analysis plans reach the Anthropic API, which then executes and scales work on compute like Modal's GPUs, on your review and approval. Claude Science ships with over 60 pre-configured skills spanning genomics, single-cell analysis, proteomics, and cheminformatics, connecting natively to databases like PDB, UniProt, Ensembl, ClinVar, Reactome, and Geo. It's powered in part by NVIDIA BioNeMo Agent Toolkit, giving native access to frontier open models like Evo 2, Boltz 2, and OpenFold 3. And you can save your own lab's pipelines as custom, reusable skills. Under the hood, a generalist coordinating agent delegates to specialists, a genomics agent, a structural biology agent, or a custom lab agent you've defined. Every output then passes through a reviewer agent, which inspects results in real time, flagging incorrect citations, untraceable numbers, and figures that don't match their underlying code. You can fork a session at any point to compare different approaches. Manifold Bio needed to test millions of candidate binders across hundreds of targets to find medicines that home to specific organs. Claude Science assessed surface expression, trafficking, and safety for each tissue and target, ranking candidates against Manifold's own proprietary data, applying scientific judgment that outperformed generic coding assistants. At the Allen Institute, an evidence state database was built from sub-agents reading thousands of papers. A generator agent then wrote section narratives and cross-study figures, while a critic agent evaluated accuracy and citation fidelity in a continuous feedback loop. The result: Jerome Lecoq generated over 10 100-plus page reviews, with AI-verified citations, in a fraction of the 2 years this previously took. UC's Brain Tumor Center used Claude Science to investigate the genetic basis of glioma, analyzing thousands of small-effect germline variants. Comprehensive germline workups across multiple approaches ran in roughly one-tenth the previous time. As Associate Professor and epidemiologist Stephen Francis put it, the results were independently validated, producing both rapid and robust analyses. The bigger idea here is a shift in role. Claude Science aims to move the researcher away from acting as a pipeline mechanic, hand-cranking data through fragmented systems, and toward being a hypothesis architect, directing a team of specialized, self-reviewing digital agents, and returning to the pursuit of scientific discovery itself. Claude Science is available now in beta on macOS and Linux for Claude Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans, with discounted team seats for active academic and non-profit labs. Anthropic is also funding up to 50 AI for Science projects, offering $30,000 in Anthropic credits and $2,000 in Modal compute. Applications close July 15, 2026. You can get started today at claude.com/science.